Kung member ka ng isang organization, ano yung gusto mong makuha bukod sa membership card? Kasi minsan, ang dami nating gustong protektahan. Health, family, finances, pero hindi natin alam kung saan magsisimula. Then, I discovered IMG Lifetime Membership, and when I checked the benefits, doon ako napaisip. May free financial education, may savings account benefit, personal accident insurance, burial cash assistance, travel incentives, vision care, at marami pang iba. Ang gusto ko dito, hindi lang siya tungkol sa pera. It's about having access to benefits and opportunities that can support you and your family. Imagine having financial education, protection benefits, opportunities, and a community that help you become more financially prepared. Kaya, if you're an employee, OFW, business owner, or simply someone who wants to learn more about managing money, this is something worth checking out. If you want to know what IMG Life Membership can offer you, scan the QR code or message me.